I'm Michael Chernow, chef and restaurateur, and today I'm gonna walk you through one of my delicious and all-time favorite roasted root vegetable soups. And we're gonna do it in our Calphalon Quartz heat countertop oven, and we can throw all of these vegetables onto this pan. I hit it with a little bit of olive oil first. My sweet potatoes, I've got my celeriac, I've got my delicata squash. I'm gonna season it again with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt. All right, so now we're ready to go to our oven. I like to throw aluminum foil over the pan just to create some steaming action while it's in there. So we're ready to put these vegetables into our oven. The beauty of this oven is the even cooking that it offers. We've got some time on our hands, and we are gonna get into sauteing our shallots and garlic. Veggies are about done, so I'm gonna pop them on out. Ooh, look at that. Those look fantastic. So now we're ready to get into our Calphalon Auto-Speed Blender. Shallots and garlic in the blender. We're gonna incorporate everything into this blender, and that's the beauty of this soup. Once everything is cooked, it just goes right into the blender, and then we blitz, blitz, blitz. So the delicata squash is handled a little bit differently. Because it still has a skin on, I like to scoop out the meat in the case of a soup. So I'm also gonna add my beets right in there and a little bit of stock to get it going. One of the greatest things about this blender is that it automatically senses ingredients and adjusts power to blend perfectly. I'm gonna slowly drizzle some milk in to finish, and that's it. I like to use avocado as a substitute for dairy to offer the same exact sort of texture. It's really incredible. And there you have it, everybody. Our really simple roasted root vegetable soup. It is simple, easy, and delicious.